This world that I'm living in got me feeling like a prisoner. What's meant for us is the life that's put in the streets, it's the gas we trust. The must when I ride out, let them know what I'm about. Got me doing dirt all alone, then mash out to the hideout. Life in the cold, I can't carry on. I shed so many tears, blood dripping down my soul. My heart turned cold throughout the years. Eternal vision straight to hell, knowing only time will tell. I'm in too deep to try to bail, so fuck the world, we by ourselves. When I'm mashing down, I find, and I got the surge to die. Ecstasy the week got me high. Why do I feel like I'm losing my mind? You know I'm trying, dawg. For the fact I'm in this to my death, till there's nothing left, until I take my last breath. I'm sideways down the curve, flipping off the ghetto bird, big enough serve. Seeing my enemies and they all get served. Ain't nowhere for me to go, trapped in this hellhole, need a place to grow, but I can't seem to cope with the past still hanging on my rope that won't let go. So my soul stay burning.
So many trials and tribulations that I'm facing from day to day. Don't wanna cause no one no pain,
but I have no choice.
Don't wanna hurt inside anymore. I'm burning
inside, 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 inside. Now I'm on my lonesome, right through the midnight to the day till my time come. And I swear to God when my time is done, I ain't even gonna try to run. I'ma ride out high, blood in my eye, straight to the light, to a place that's right. Place in my life where I won't think twice, moving on and out the side. If there's a God that's guiding me, then why am I stuck on my knees? I wanna leave, but I don't wanna bring pain to my family. Am I wrong to feel this way? Drunk in the curse, sipping Alizé, and I know in the lives we made mistakes. Got the one time all up in my face, on a high speed chase and I'm wildin' out, blowing smoke up out my mouth. Nobody wanna know what I'm about, while they see me 6 feet on the ground, and I don't give a fuck, man. Got me looking at the world and my ass insane, and I'm down for a change. Watching everybody coming at me with a burner, trying to take me out the game, and I still maintain. Wonder why that I can't be tamed, living in the world that is strange. Gotta be part of a gang to survive in the streets and be safe in a place that's crazed with hate. We was born to die, really that ain't no surprise. So when it's my time, I'm just gonna fly away and say goodbye, goodbye.
So many trials and tribulations that I'm facing from day to day. Don't wanna cause no one no pain,
but I have no choice.
Don't wanna hurt inside anymore. I'm burning
inside, 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 inside. Before I lay me down to sleep, will the world ever hear me speak? While the world is slowly turning, the rain can stop my soul from burning. I see the gates from afar away. It's time for me to go to a better place. No time to hide, spread your wings and fly. This Hennessy and weed it got me high. I'm looking for a place that's meant for me, cause everybody has a destiny. And once we find a place where we belong, a place where our hearts will feel at home, we're gonna make it on our own. Then I can make it on my own. Then we can make it on our own. Then I can make it on my own. Dear God, I'm gone.
So many trials and tribulations